Guys, sorry. Welcome back, guys. And today I'm going to show off 10 Minecraft commands that you can do with command blocks. Okay, we got some Minecraft launcher, and we'll play. This is some people like it's mods. We'll do the latest version. 1.14 just came out. Got some pizza and cheese sticks I'm eating. But yeah, anyways. If you have any ideas, just suggest them in the comments below. I'll respond to it. I'll let you know if I can or if I'll try. I think next video I'll make will be about this cool little program, but for now we're playing this. Okay, you want to see this new loading bar screen? I'm already recording G-Force. That was a big logo when you maximize the window. That maximize control. YouTube. We'll use this one for all YouTube videos. So yeah. If anyone didn't hear the first time, we're doing command block commands. Oh. Great, it's not doing that. I have to go to create the world. I have never played the 1.14 version of Minecraft. Sorry I haven't been making videos in a while, I've just been really busy with, you know, school stuff. All that fun stuff. Hope during our summer break I'll be able to record more videos for you guys. I like this new loading graphic. I think it was introduced in 1.14, but I can't remember. You know me. I like this little... Here, so yeah, I like the new loading bar, which is how it's generating the world. Here's the full map, and here's the restricted bits. The cutoff bit. Those guns, get those few blocks. Something like that joining the world. Okay. And we get Minecraft to stop lagging. Okay. Now how to get command blocks, you do /give and your username, mine's Billings32. You can also do tab for that. You'll only have one. If you leave that blank, it'll just give you one. Okay, now I'm gonna go grab a lever. Oh, it's really silly. I don't play Minecraft a lot, but I still like the game. First command, /say. You can input custom message. And what happens here is it says, let's do redstone graphic there. It says YouTube and Minecraft are the best. Okay. Now let's create different command blocks. Next one, /game, well, /kill. This is an easy one. And I'll actually set my spawn point here. And guess what happens when you do it? Wait, yeah, I forgot it. I have to add a target. All players, why not? Oh, what's it doing now? Is it gonna work? Here. Okay, we're gonna leave out that command. I do not know what's trying to attempt. Okay. Next one is kick. Custom message. This command says this is for a long time. What if one of these commands working? What's it doing? Oh my god. Okay. Next command. They normally do like a kick command, but I don't know. They may have changed it. And now we have game mode. Oh yeah. The players required to run this command here. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna give it to another version of Minecraft. This is dead. What's going on here? What is thing again? Yeah. Oh, wrong version. Darn it. Sorry for the inconvenience. Nope, I'm gonna close this window out. Possibly not responding window. Let's go. Let's go to 1.9. I still don't know what's going on here. They've changed the commands a lot. Okay, then I know what's called YouTube. YouTube. Yeah, sorry. It's not working out for me. So, thanks for the achievement. I'll do give. Okay. We'll go on top of the church here. I think I did the lifetime skin the last build, but it'll just change a lot. Okay, first one, save. Okay, next command, /give, we'll do this one. I say I want 7 sticks. I'll put the command. And every time I do it, yeah, that's it. Cool command. We'll go to this well and do the next command. /spawn point. Yeah, that's it. See, it's at my spawn point. So, that's cool. Here for this next command, we'll do /kill. I like that one. And if you don't want your stuff flying out of your inventory, we'll have /game rule. We'll have this. And now, when we die, look, I still have my stuff. Okay, for our fifth command. Okay, it's actually a fourth command. Here, I'm trying to remember the command, sorry. That one's gonna be... Okay, guys, I'm sorry, I actually quit the game and stopped the recording because I always thought I didn't have my microphone good. But I did. So, we'll continue for our fourth command. Yeah, fourth command. Which will be /effect. Yeah, sorry about that. God, I feel dumb now. I actually got my microphone out, so sorry if I sound a bit different, but... It's dumb. Okay. Where's the command block? /effect. And regeneration. Look, now we have regeneration. So you give yourself any custom effect. So yeah, let's go on. For our fifth command, oh yeah, /summon, and we want to summon a creeper, don't we? Boom, we got a creeper. Inside command block. But whatever. Okay. Sixth command. Wants another command. Oh, set block. Here we'll do squiggly, squiggly, 1. TNT 1. I'll show what that one does later. We'll just do it now. Yep, that's right. Old beta TNT. Well, that was fun. Okay, for the eighth command. Where can we find a useful spot? Okay. Right here, for our eighth command. What's in our command? There's a lot of commands. So yeah. Yeah. But yeah, if you have any ideas, just suggest them in the comments below. Sorry for getting a bit off topic there, but yeah. Anyway. Sorry. Okay, I guess we'll get into some more. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sorry for the hesitation. I'm just trying to remember that one third command. Don't even have these run down. Oh, by the way, this is our 8th command. It is the done. They didn't. Oh no, we didn't do game mode yet. Okay, that's my answer. We can do like game mode 0. And do like, yeah. Boom. Ha ha ha. Got to get back into game mode 1. Okay. For the 9th command. /seed. And this will output the seed. Yeah, it'll output it there. So 960570313. And last, I'm bombarded by a malware notification. Random malware bites notification time. Okay. For the real final command. If I have something actually interrupted me. Whatever. Ow. There's some command prompt commands sometime soon too. Yeah. Well, what's another command? What's another command? What's another command? Fortunately, the /kick command doesn't exist in this version of Minecraft. Right. That's all my commands. Okay, what shall I do? What shall I do? What should I do? What shall I do? Let me think. What should be my 10th command? I did 9 commands already, darn. Okay. I know mods add commands. Is there any other things? If I think of another one, I'll probably put in the description if I forget a few. I don't know. Okay, since I can't think of a last command, we'll do another game rule thing. It's do fire tick. And if you turn this to... I spelled true wrong. But yeah, I can't think of another command, but we'll just do another one of game rule. And we'll grab flint and steel. And you'd be like, well, if I set a tree on fire, won't it burn? Well, with fire tick, with do fire tick... Oh wait, I said the false. I did it wrong. I don't think I even ran the command. Do fire tick. False. And if we burn down a tree, it won't burn. So that's about it. Thank you very, very much for watching. Sorry, once again, sorry I haven't been uploading in a while. I just get busy, you know. Anyway. I have uploaded for like a week or so, so sorry about that. Anyways, bye-bye.